Good morning, class.
Good sir.
So, before we start our discussion, may I ask everyone to please stand up? Mr. Manilo, I will lead the prayer. Before you take your seat, please pick up some piece of paper and let's check here. You may take your seat. Entrance, may I ask the class leader if there's any absent from today?
No, sir.
Oh, so very good. There's no absent for today. Does anyone of you remember what was our lesson in the previous meeting? Last meeting we discussed about the dining room equipment. This includes equipment of serving food and for dining. Equipment is classified into diningware, flatware, beverageware, and lighting. So again, what are the four classifications of dining room equipment? Mr. Sina.
Diningware, flatware, beverageware, and lighting things.
Okay, that's good. So I think you already know or familiarized what was our lesson in the previous meeting. So now let's proceed. But before that, I have prepared some activity for today. I will group you into two, group 1 and the group 2. So here is a picture, set of pictures, and I want you to identify red and boy what comes observed in the picture. So group 1, representative. Group 2. Any more question about this activity? Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to write everything you observe in the picture here in the bottom. So your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, so I think everyone knows. Thank you for your participation, everyone. Group 1, let's ask group 1. Please stand up. What do you think this set of pictures tell all about?
I think it's all about different types of meal services.
That's right. How about group 2?
It's all about getting sir.
That's right. It's all about again. But what is it?
It is basically good manners, like a set of rules for how to behave in different situations to be polite and respectful towards others.
That's right. See? I hope that you enjoyed our activity. And now we will proceed to our discussion. But before that, we have what we call our learning objective for this discussion, for this lesson. Then we have 3 objectives for this lesson. May I ask Mr. Sena to read number 1?
Recognize the business style of meal service.
The second objective, Mr. Manilo, please stand up and read.
What you traditionally see the workplace group activity.
So, how about number 3, Mr. Anis? Davao, please read the third objective.
Adapt the importance of meal service and workplace.
So, that 3 objectives are going to accomplish at the end of this lesson. So now let's go to our topic. First is the 7 basic styles and services. First is the buffet. It's a style. Everyone help themselves from large section of dishes displayed on the customer table. One of the examples from Busconi during Fiesta and also in Colombian restaurant. They serve the buffet style service. Then next is the buffet services. Food is prepared and kitchen and brought to the table already proportion. So one example is the catering services. They offer banquet services. And we have also the French services. And the French services are two types. First is Guerrero services. That's food is prepared and cooked with drinks, tableside for dramatic presentation. We watch a video showing the chef cook in the front of the customer using different tricks to perform in front of the customer. One example of Guerrero services. Then the second type of French services is what we call pre-plated French services. Food is prepared in a kitchen and individually presented to each guest, who then serves themselves onto their plate. So the food the customer will need to order specific food, and from the kitchen the staff will deliver food and the guest will select what food they like to be served. The fourth is the American services, the British service. The most common where your food arrives already intended to kitchen and served to your plate. One of the examples is in the restaurant, casual restaurant dining. The second, the fifth is the restaurant services. This is commonly used in a formal restaurant dining. The most formal food is presented on the platter for server who use large serving utensils to portion and serve each guest and delivery. The sixth is the family service. Similar to the buffet, large platter of family-style dishes are placed on the table for everyone to share and serve themselves. We commonly use during the family gathering or family gatherings, commonly use family service. Then the last one is what we call the Filipino service. Similar to family style with various dishes placed in center of the table for everyone to share. So that is the 7 types of meal services. Based on what I discussed earlier, what do you think is commonly used food service that commonly used during meeting? Mr. Manigo?
Style meal service that is commonly used during meetings of meal service.
So, that's right. Okay. Services. Then, how about during birthday celebration? Okay, Miss Wow.
Buffet style.
That's right, it's okay. Class, do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we're done for the 7 meal services. Let's proceed to the meal service. As a worker or a service for person, is it important to have a good attitude? Mr. Fan.
Yes, sir. That is important because the worker or the service personnel reflect the image of certain company. Also, having a good attitude can make a good impression to the customers.
Oh, so why is it so?
Sir, by standing up straight and making eye contact with the guest would show confidence and make him feel welcome.
So you could speak clearly if they describe the food in a way that makes some delicious.
Very good said, Ms. Barcelona. So, there are what we call the three meal service etiquette. First is the physical projection. It's your non-verbal communication. It's how you present yourself through your appearance, posture, and body language. Second is the verbal projection. It is how you use your voice to communicate effectively. This includes the clarity of your speech, the tone and volume you use, and even non-verbal aspect like pose and emphasis. And the third is the conduct and behavior. Go beyond being courteous. It's about acting appropriately in a situation. It includes being polite, respectful, responsible, and following the rules and or expectations. So that's the three meal service etiquette. I'm going to divide you into three groups, and after I will give you another set of pictures, and you tell me what types of services being used or what to serve and picture. And give at least 2 examples where the style is appropriate in that occasion. Okay? So write your answer in a one whole sheet of paper. So okay, so for group 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if you're done, now pass your paper. The front. So now for the generalization of our topic, what again the 7 meal services? Mr. Sena?
Affects the bucket service, French label service, American or blue tea service, Russian service, American service, and Filipino service. Physical question.
So that's right. The 7 meal services. How about the meal service etiquette? Mr. Rosano?
Physical projection, verbal projection, and conduct and behavior.
Okay, that's right. So class, what do you think professionalism is important in workplace overall? Miss Davao?
It makes the work environment more positive, like if everyone's respectful and focused, it is easier to get things done.
That's right. So that's all for our discussion. Now let's go to the assessment. So right through in the statement is I'm going to read is true and false if not. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to read the question twice. So please listen everyone. It is about FaceTime service. All food is displayed on the counter or table for guests to serve themselves. Again, this is Mr. Mao, collect the paper. end of our discussion for today. And before we leave, going to this, please copy for your assignment. Examine the following statement, turn them into positive statement, write your answer in one whole sheet of paper. So please, if you want to copy, now, so that's the end of our discussion for today. Thank you everyone, and you may go.